Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to enable audio over remote desktop connection. Step 1. Enable audio. Open remote desktop connection, Win+R. Type msdsc.exe to open remote desktop connection. Click the Local Resources button. Press Settings. Ensure that remote audio playback is set to play on this computer. To enable the microphone, change the remote audio recording options. Please enter the assigned IP address. Enter the VPS password to proceed. Step 2. Test the Windows audio service. Win+R. Type services.msc to run services. Find the Windows audio service and double-click on it. Change the startup type from manual to automatic and click OK. Start to play something with your VPS. It's probably going to work right now.